Congratulations on purchasing a new Riverstone Quartz Countertop. You've chosen to install a beautiful, durable, and low-maintenance countertop that will transform your space. But don't rush the installation. Be sure to take your time and follow each step of the installation to ensure beauty for years to come. Tools needed for installation include a tube of silicone, a caulk gun, a 48-inch level, shims, a pencil or fine-tipped marker, a tape measure, denatured alcohol, and shop rags or towels. Depending on your layout, you may also need seam adhesive and a razor blade. Measure the cabinet run and then the countertop. Dry fit any seams if applicable by placing the seams together to ensure fit. Verify that all edges line up and that the countertop overhangs are the appropriate size. Once verification is completed, remove the tops. Place dime-sized dabs of silicone caulk along the front and back of the cabinet run. With help, gradually tip the countertop to a horizontal position. Level the countertop. Prepare your seam adhesive. Apply a 1/8 inch bead of seam adhesive between the surfaces. Once the seam adhesive has begun to set, use a razor blade to remove the excess. Caulk the outer seam on the underside of the countertop.